Hello, I'm Crypto Snake, and I'll be your guide today on purchasing Bitcoin. You've probably heard of Bitcoin on the street and you're wondering, how do I get in on this? What even is a digital currency? This guide will show you exactly how to purchase and hold Bitcoin whether you have $50 or $50,000. The Coinbase exchange is one of the most trusted US-based exchanges for purchasing Bitcoin. It has been around since 2012 and has never been hacked, so you can rest assured your money will be secure on this exchange. Let's start with signing up for an account. You will see the Sign Up button on the top right of your screen. After clicking the Sign Up button, you'll be taken to the Create Your Account page. Input your basic information to register your account. Be sure to store your password somewhere secure. You will receive an email verification. Access your email and confirm the account creation. Why do you need to verify your identity? Well, Know Your Customer laws are required by law to prevent money laundering and are enforced by the United States government. Rest assured, this is the same process you would go through to purchase stocks and bonds. Once your identity has been filled out, you will be brought to this screen. This is where all the magic happens. On this page, you will see 4 currencies displayed: Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin with their current prices and charts. Below that, you will see Your Portfolio. This is where your digital assets will be displayed in fiat value. To the right of that, you will see Recent Activity. When you purchase Bitcoin, your transaction will display in this section if it has gone through correctly. Buying Bitcoin can be done through 2 methods. One, you can click on the Buy and Sell button at the top of the screen, or you can click directly on the asset with the View Asset button. You will be taken to a page displaying information on your specified cryptocurrency. Your balance is displayed in the top right next to the Buy and Sell buttons. Click the Buy button now. Here you will see the purchasing page. On the top left, you will see one of the 4 currencies. Make sure Bitcoin is selected. Under Payment Method, click the drop-down arrow on the right side and select Add a New Account. Here you will have 3 options: direct bank account linking, debit card, or wire transfer. If you're like me, your debit may not work for purchasing Bitcoin as the bank may decline the purchase. However, direct bank account linking should work. In order to link your bank account, click the Bank Account selection. You will see a list of banks. If your bank is listed, simply click on the picture and you will be taken to a login screen for the bank. If your bank is not listed, you can use the Search function to look for your bank. If your bank is still not listed under the Search function, you will be prompted to verify your bank with deposits. Simply click Get Started to be taken to the Bank Connection prompt. Input your full name, your routing number, and account number, which should be found on your checks. It may take a few days for the deposits to show up. Once they do, input them under the verification section. Once your bank account has been verified, you will return to the Buy and Sell screen. On the lower portion of the screen, you will see Amount with a USD and Bitcoin value box. This is where you input how much Bitcoin you would like to buy. Many people do not understand that you don't have to buy whole Bitcoins, which is why Bitcoin is a great investment opportunity even if you don't have a lot of capital. Simply input the USD value and you will see a fraction of a Bitcoin number show up. Conversely, if you would like to purchase whole Bitcoins, you can input the number of Bitcoins on the right side to receive the fiat value cost. Click Buy to confirm your purchase. Once that is complete, return to the dashboard. Here you will see your transaction confirmed under the Recent Activity. If you used a direct bank account transfer, your funds should arrive in 7 days, or 3 days for debit card. You have officially purchased your first Bitcoin. Congratulations! If you would like more information on what you can do with Bitcoin, please check out our next video, How to Trade Altcoins. Please join us in my free Telegram group at t.me/CryptoSnakePit for insight into my overview of the market, trading tips, advice, and sneak peeks into my personal entries and exits. Information on how to join in the description below. This is Crypto Snake, signing off.